Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Rebate Vouchers. First, navigate to your Binance account and locate the Rewards Hub. This is where all your available vouchers are stored. These vouchers can significantly reduce your trading costs, so it's worth understanding how to activate and apply them correctly. We'll cover finding, activating, and maximizing your savings with these valuable tools. To begin, log into your Binance account and hover over your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Rewards Hub. Here, you'll see a list of all your available vouchers. Each voucher will have a Use button. Simply click this button and then confirm the activation. Once activated, the rebate will automatically apply to your eligible trades. Binance offers different types of rebate vouchers. Fee rebate vouchers typically reduce your trading fees by a certain percentage, like 25% or 50%, for a set period. Cashback vouchers, on the other hand, return a fixed amount of crypto to your spot wallet after you meet specific trading volume criteria. Always check the voucher details for any specific conditions or eligible trading pairs. It's crucial to remember that all Binance rebate vouchers have an expiration date. Make sure to activate and use them before they expire to avoid losing out on potential savings. Always review the specific terms and conditions for each voucher, as they may vary. Once activated, the rebate will automatically apply to your eligible trades, helping you save on fees.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.